Did you know that people are making thousands of dollars per month selling books with almost no words in them? Low content books like planners, journal, sketchbook are one of the fastest growing categories on Amazon KDP and Etsy. They are easy to create. It doesn't require you to be a writer. And once uploaded, you can make passive income over and over again. This, my friend, is a really simple, nice side hustle that you can do while you're working your 9 to 5. I found a software that you can crank these out in minutes. It's very simple. It's a 4-step process. So make sure you stick with me because I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step. And I'm going to also show you how you can upload it on Amazon KDP. Let's go to the computer. Today, I am sharing with you a website that's called BookBolt.com. That's book, BOLT.com. This site is all about Amazon KDP. You create your book, journals, coloring pages, and upload it on KDP. So this is what the site looks like once you log in. This is the journal we're going to create. But as you can see, this cover page, it's nice, but I was trying to get this color here and I couldn't get it. So what we're going to do here, we're going to hit project. Then you're going to hit new project. Then you want your cover to be paperback cover and interior. You're going to call your project a name. You're going to call it your side hustle, honey. Your side hustle journal. That's what we're going to call it. That's not going to be the name of the journal. And then we're going to do a 6x9 journal, and that is standard for Amazon journal. So we're going to leave it as that. Then we're going to go with a black and white interior with the white paper. Always want to hit the bleed. Then average size for a journal is 24 pages, but we're going to do 100. So 24 to 100 is like an average size for a journal on Amazon KDP, and then you're going to hit create project. Once you hit your create project, this is your template, guys. It doesn't get any simpler than this. See where it's telling you here, all these little red lines here are pink lines. You're not going to put anything that will affect these lines because when Amazon print your book, you don't want it to spill over onto these lines. So these are the areas that you need to work in. You see on the corner where it says your front cover, over here is saying your back cover. We are going to hit this right here. Then we're going to hide the cover template. So now you see like these little green lines. You still do not write anything in these lines right here. So it's going to be very simple. This is going to be a very simple design. So I'm going to make this, I don't like this color, so I'm going to make it black. A simple black journal, very simple and stuff. And guys, I'm going to show you for the first time, I've never uploaded anything on KDP before. So I am going to show you how I upload this on KDP. So I created this background in Canva. Okay, so the black's a little off. So what we're going to go back and do is change the color. Okay, there it is. Guys, and this is going to be the cover for my journal. Stuff I got to remember for my How I Got Rich story. Love it. Isn't that cool? From side hustle to main character energy. Yes, we're loving this. Okay, so that's it. My cover is done. Quick question. Let me know in the comments if you are a journal writer or if you ever use any type of low content books before. So now we're going to add some pages to our journal. And if you could see over here, we chose 100 pages and they're all blank, right? So what we're going to do, you're going to go over here and click page template. And then you're going to look at all of this they have right here. This site is really awesome. Templates you could use to create all kind of stuff, all different kind of journals, calendars. It's fantastic. So here's a journal page right here. So you're going to hit this one. And then it gives you 3 different types of journal pages: narrow journal, college journal, wide. So we like the wide. So we're going to click that one. Then you're going to say select all. You want all your pages to have lines. Then you're going to deselect your cover page. Then you're going to hit continue. Then it's going to ask you where you can change the sizes of the lines in your journal pages, but this is fine. I liked how it looks, so we're going to leave that alone. Then you're going to hit submit. Then you check it, and these are your journal pages. This is how it's going to look. So it have a line right there for all the dates, all the journal pages, and then see page 1 and all the way down, guys. So all your pages have the line. So once you're finished with that, that's it. We're done. Then you're going to hit download. Download current project as a CMYK file. That is what's needed for Amazon for printed books. Because remember, Amazon is going to print this book and send it to your customers. So you want to download it in this file. So you hit download. Then your file is going to be downloaded as a zip file. Now let's go upload it to Amazon KDP. Okay guys, so I am on my Amazon KDP account. So for those of you who don't have it, KDP is free. Everyone can have an account. Just go and apply for an account. So you just go to kdp.amazon.com and create your account. So once you create your account, you're going to hit create a paperback. So once we're here, see there's 3 tabs on the top: paperback details, paperback content, and paperback rights and pricing. We're starting here first. The language is English. The book title, here it says enter your title as it appears on the book cover. So I'm going to enter the entire thing that's on the book cover and type that in. It's not a series. Edition number, no. Author, put my name in, and I don't have any contributors. Add up to 9 contributors, no, that's not for me. Then we're going to summarize our book, which I went to ChatGPT and had it help me write a really nice SEO rich Amazon KDP description for my journal. I don't have anyone. I created this myself. As you guys saw, I created in BookBolt. The publishing right, I own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing right. Yes, this is a public domain. Nope, because I created it. Sexual explicit image for or title, nope. It's, you want to read this here and answer it. Does the book cover or interior contain sexual explicit? No. There's a simple journal book we have here. The reading age, you could leave this blank, or it's a journal thing. It's for everyone. So I'm not gonna select. You can tell them the age here, but we're not going to do that. Now, we want this just to be on Amazon. So if you pull this down, it's just for the US. They're saying, do you want to sell it in the UK? So we're doing the public domain for Amazon.com. Then the category, choose up to 3 categories that describe your book. Note, you must select your primary market and audience first. So you're going to choose a category. So this part right here, my category, I'm going to do self-help, journal writing, and diary. So you're choosing up to 3. I did this ahead of time on what category I wanted to put it in. So here's self-help right here. And then you have a journal writing. Self-esteem. Okay, so we're going to put self-esteem because I can't find diary. I hit save these category. Now we're going to have keywords. So I went over here and asked my assistant to help me come up with 7 keywords. I copied what Amazon wanted and I put it to my assistant ChatGPT. You might have heard of him. And this is what he came up with, which I like. Line journal for entrepreneurs, simple notebook for us. Loving this. So we are going to drop these bad boy over here. So keywords are very important so you can rank on Amazon. So we have that. The publication date tells readers when the book was originally published. If your book has not been published before, select the first option, which is already checked, right? Then you choose when to make your book available on Amazon. Release my book for sale now. You're going to hit that. They say it takes up to 72 hours to go live, guys. So we're going to save and continue. Now we're on to the paperback content. So right here where it says you can have your KDP assign an ISBN for your book, or you can add one. When it's low content books, you don't have to have your own ISBN. So you're just going to leave it and say get a free KDP ISBN from Amazon. So you don't, you leave that. Then choose how you would like to print your book. We have pre-selected the most common setting to get you started. Now, black and white interior with white paper. That's what was in our book that you saw me created. So black and white interior with white paper. So that's already checked. Now it's a 6x9. That is correct. Now it says bleed setting, no bleed. I actually created this as a bleed. So now the paperback cover finish. Do you have matte or glossy? So I want matte. I kind of like matte. And this is where you're going to upload your manuscript that we downloaded. So here it says upload your manuscript. Make sure the file matches the trim size and bleed setting you selected above, accept file. So what we're going to do here, we're going to upload it. Okay, so once it's uploaded, no AI generated images, and we're going to save and continue. Please preview and approve your book. Okay, it's not allowing me to preview it. Okay, so I did something wrong up here. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna hit assign. Okay, so I'm assigned one. All right, so that's why I couldn't preview this. So let's go down and we're gonna hit launch previewer to preview our book to make sure that I didn't do something wrong. So we're gonna wait and we'll be back, guys. We will be back. Okay, all right, so this look good. This is my book, guys. So this is what the cover looks like. We're within the lines. It looks good. 100 pages. And then we're going to hit approve right here. We're approving it. So we just finished our paperback detail, the paperback content. So now we're moving on to the paperback rights and pricing. But before we do that, we have to go down here and we hit the launch previewer. So it's going to cost Amazon $2.30 per book to send this to the people. So we're going to hit save. Let's go back to the launch previewer again, just for giggles, because we want to make sure that everything looks good. We want to make sure everything is looking good, Annie. Yes. Okay. So this is the front cover, the back. It's a simple book. And this is what it's going to be looking like, guys. Yeah. Looks good. Let's approve it again. And then we're going to go down here and hit save and continue. So we're saved. And now it's the paperback right and pricing. It's saying here, what territories do you want to sell this? We want it worldwide, honey. Give it to all the folks. All the folks have opportunity to buy this book. Yes. They're going to get this journal that says stuff I got to remember for how I got rich story. From side hustle to main character energy. Ooh, I love that title. Yeah, they're going to get it just for the title. I love it. Okay, so we're going to go down here. One step at a time. Primary market, Amazon, pricing and the royalty. So I did my research. And for low content journal book, it's $6.99. That's the average cost people are charging for these book, honey. And look at my royalty. Look at how much money I'm going to be getting. $1.89. That's the beginning of my millions. The beginning of my millions, honey. $1.89. So, yes, aren't you excited, guys? You are excited to create your own journal book. And I'm showing you with BookBolt how simple it is. All you need is template to drag and drop stuff. This is fantastic. I love it. Then it's showing you all the royalty for all these countries. Look at this here. $1.93 in the Amazon. What is this AU? Where is AU? But okay, let's not get distracted. This column right here, you want to ignore it. From my research, again, expanded distribution is not for low content books. So you don't pay that any mind right here. So you don't check that one and you are done. It can take up to 72 hours for your book to be available for purchase on Amazon. By clicking publish, I confirm that I agree and I'm in compliance with the KDP terms and conditions. So we're going to hit publish, guys. I am so excited to be able to publish my first paperback book. Yeah, there it is. There it is. We are publishing a book on KDP. Oh, honey, your paperback has been submitted. I'm so excited. And I'm so excited to be recording this on here. And I'm going to put it on YouTube to inspire other people to do the same thing. For low content books, it can take up to 10 business days. That's something new again. It's telling me it can take up to 10 days. So I'm going to wait on this to be published and I will share it here with you guys. So this is my book, guys. I don't know why this was such an exciting experience for me. Creating a simple low content book and uploading it on Amazon. I'm just so excited. Anywho, so this is what the books look like, and go get my book, guys. You know, so you see I get my little $1.50, but anywho, this is what the books look like. So it's a soft cover book. So it costs Amazon $2.30 to create this book. So it's a simple journal book, and all I did was create the cover like you see and add the pages in there. This is 100 pages. That's it right there, guys. This is so cool. Amazon did not email me within 72 hours to let me know if I was approved, and they call it live. I did not get an email. So after 4 days, I logged into my Amazon KD account and it said that my book was live. And I was like, what? So I ordered it right away. So this is what it looks like, guys. And it's so exciting. This is truly a very simple side hustle that anyone can start, especially busy people who have a 9-to-5 job. In the description below, I am going to be having the link for BookBolt where you can try it for 3 days. Guys, it is awesome. You can create coloring books, puzzles. It's an awesome software. So make sure you check it out. I'm going to have the link below. So now that you know how to create low content books, you know how to upload it on Amazon KDP, you need to watch this video to know the 3 critical steps that you need to take before you start your side hustle while you work in a 9-to-5 job. I'll see you in my next video.